Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. In the name of Allah, the Compassionate, the Most Merciful. Dear students, welcome to our period. Inshallah, today we are going to complete our lessons from Unit 7, Science Data. And this is the second lesson in this unit. Please pay attention with me and open your student book, page 60 and 61. Let's start. In the opener of our lesson, please, let's play the hidden picture. Guess what the word is. Guess the hidden picture, please. Okay, it's experiment. In this lesson, we are going to talk about an important grammatical rule. It's the use of the passive voice in the present simple tense. Before we introduce this grammatical rule, please let's read these examples. The water is put in the dish every day. Do you know who puts the water in the dish every day? The girl puts water in the dish every day. So, the water is put in the dish every day by the girl. I put the water in the dish. I put the water in the dish. If I want to change this active sentence into passive voice, it will be the water is put in the dish. The water is put in the dish. For more understanding, please let's read this sentence. The scientist writes the results down. The scientist writes the results down. Okay, the results are written down. This is a passive voice. This is a passive voice. The results are written down. Who writes them? The scientist. So I can say the results are written down by the scientist. Look at these pictures, please. What animals are seen in Kuwait? Sheep, cows, giraffes, and camels are seen in Kuwait. What food is eaten at a celebration? What food is eaten at a celebration? Cakes and sweets are eaten at a celebration. Cakes and sweets are eaten at a celebration. This is a passive voice. Okay? Look at this diagram, please. The active sentence is formed of number one, subject. The second thing is the verb, and the third is the object. For example, he plays a video game. This is active sentence. To change this sentence into passive, it will be a video game is played by him. In the passive sentence, we start the sentence with the object. A video game. A video game is singular, so it takes is. If it was plural, video games, it will be are. Okay. Then we followed it with the third form of verbs. The third form of the verb, okay, the verb play is played. A video game is played, okay, by him. After by, we put the subject. Pay attention with me. Try to understand the passive voice, please. The passive voice in the present simple tense. Okay, we start the sentence with the object. We follow the object with is or are. Is for singular and are for plural. Then we put the third form of the verb. Okay, if you want to mention the subject, put the preposition by and write the subject of the sentence. Okay, as we see in this sentence, a video game is played by him. Nick reads books every day. Nick is subject, reads the verb, books object. Okay, this is an active voice. Change this sentence into passive voice. Start with the object. Okay, books are read. Books are read by Nick every day. Books are read by Nick every day. I write a story. To change this sentence into passive voice, it will be a story is, okay, the third form of the verb write is written. Okay, a story is written by me. Let's go back again to page 60. Please pay attention with me. Read the sentences and answer the questions. Which sentences tell us who did the experiment? She cleans the house daily. The house is cleaned daily. The scientist writes the results down. The results are written down. Which sentences tell us who did the experiment? Okay. It's number C. The scientist writes the results down. Which sentences are passive? A, B, C, or D? Okay, it's B. The house is cleaned. The house is cleaned daily. The results are written down. Okay, number B and D are passive voices. Okay, is cleaned, are written. Okay, we put is and are after the object, and we followed them with the third form of the verbs. Okay, clean, cleaned, cleaned, write, wrote, written. Now please choose the correct word, is or are. Finish the sentences with a word from the box. Number 1. Experiments is or are done by giraffes, artists, bees, sharks, or scientists. Who can give me the answer? Okay. Number 1. Scientists do experiments. Okay, experiments are done by scientists. Please write the answers in your student book. Experiments are done by scientists. 2. Bees make honey. So, honey is made by bees. Honey, the object, is made. Made is the third form of the verb make. By bees. Honey is made by bees. 3. An artist paints a picture. An artist paints a picture. Okay, a picture is painted by an artist. A picture is painted by an artist. 4. Giraffes eat plants. So, plants are eaten by giraffes. Plants are eaten by giraffes. Sharks eat small fish. This is an active voice. It starts with the subject. Okay? Sharks eat small fish. Change this sentence from active into passive. Okay? Small fish are eaten by sharks. Small fish are eaten by sharks. Now please let's go to the next page. It's page 61. Find the correct words to finish the sentences. Use the right form of the verbs do, read, fly, see, find. As we talk about the passive voice, so we put the verbs in the third form. Okay? The verb do is the first form. The second form of it is did. And the third is done. Do, did, done. Read, read, read. Fly, flew, flown. See, saw, seen. Find, found, found. For more understanding, please, let's read the sentences again. I do homework after school. Change into passive voice. Homework is done after school. Okay. Find the correct words to finish the sentences. Please use the right form of the verbs. Do, read, fly, see, and find. Number 1. Emails by lots of people every day. Choose a verb from those. Do, read, fly, see, or find. Then put it in the third form. Check your answers. Emails are read. Okay. Emails are read by lots of people every day. Planes, okay, are flown by pilots. 3. Whale sharks are sometimes seen near Kuwait. Salt is found in seawater. Salt is found in seawater. Lots of people read emails every day. Emails are read by lots of people every day. Pilots fly planes. Okay, planes are flown by pilots. People see whale sharks near Kuwait. Okay, whale sharks are seen near Kuwait. People find salt in seawater. Change the sentence from active into passive. Start with the object. Okay. Salt is found in seawater. Okay, we started the sentence with the object salt. Salt is a singular, so we put is. Okay, the third step is the third form of the verb. Okay, find, found, found. Okay, salt is found in seawater. Okay, now please let's go to exercise 6. Talk about the answers to these questions. Where is oil found? Where is oil used? How is oil formed? Okay. Where is oil found? Oil is found in the desert, under the ground, and under the sea. Where is oil found? Oil is found in the desert, under the ground, and under the sea. Pay attention with me, please. Where is oil used? Okay. Oil is used in cars, planes, and factories. 3. How is oil formed? Look at the pictures, please. Okay. Before the dinosaurs, many giant plants died in swamps. Over millions of years, the plants were buried under water and dirt. Heat and pressure turned the dead plants into coal. It's formed of very old dead animals and plants. Okay, now we've arrived at the end of our lesson. Inshallah, we are going to complete our lessons next time. See you later, alligators. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.